Cigarettes are terrible for your health. Most everyone knows that. However, some people might still be ignorant about secondhand smoke. It's just as detrimental to a person's health to breathe in smoke from someone else's cigarette as it is to smoke one yourself. Yet secondhand smoke isn't the only way that people are hurting their loved ones by burning something in their presence. Did you know that candles can actually produce harmful effects similar to that of a lit cigarette? Those pumpkin-scented candles may smell fantastic in the fall, but they also have a nasty byproduct, soot. It works like this. The paraffin in the candles, when burned, allow dangerous toxins to float into the air we breathe. The more candles burn, the more toxic the air becomes. It can get so toxic that candle companies have now begun to place stickers on their candles, which recommend that they not be burned longer than 3 hours at a time. You may be thinking, I burn candles longer than that all the time, and I don't have any problems breathing. Consider the fact that numerous studies show there are over 250,000 soot-related asthma attacks every year. Additionally, millions of workers have to take time off for soot-related illnesses each year. Some of these illnesses inevitably lead to untimely deaths. Paraffin isn't the only one to blame, though. Candles that are made outside of the United States may contain wicks that are partially made of lead. These candles are imported into the U.S. and sold to many unsuspecting customers. Once the wick begins to burn, it releases the fumes from the lead. Those fumes contaminate your lungs first and eventually lead to other organs. Next time you want to burn that apple cinnamon scented candle, make sure that you know where it was made and pay attention to any warning labels that might be on the container. Or, to be on the safe side, use healthier alternatives to freshening up your indoor air. Open a window, use a diffuser with essential oils, but don't risk your family's health for a nice-smelling room. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.